Hello and welcome to Taburetum channel. Today we'll talk how to descale your faucet aerator. Majority of modern faucets are equipped with aerator that helps you save water. Over time you can often see that water is not flowing smoothly anymore because there is some debris inside and limestone. So to fight that we need to disassemble the thing and descale it and get rid of the debris. Often it's not possible to unscrew the thing by hand, so you need to use a pair of pliers, or in case of bathroom faucets, you need a special key, special wrench to unscrew them, and you can of course 3D print it. If you're using a pair of pliers, you can easily scratch the surface of the aerator, so you need to protect it somehow. Probably the easiest way is to use some type of tape, and basically any tape that will stick will do. You just need to put a decent amount of it to really protect the surface from scratches. Now we need to disassemble the device, get out the seal, push the plastic part out, and as you can see there's a lot of limestone on it. So we will put it into a container and add some descaling solution. In this case it is simply vinegar. And as you can see, the vinegar is reacting with limestone. You might need to help it with the brush, but after some time you get a nice and clean elements. Yeah, we put the thing back together. Don't forget about the rubber seal. And we can now screw it onto our faucet. And we can do it by hand because the seal will make it the connection strong enough. And yeah, let's make it clean. And let's see if the stream is now equal and nice. Yeah, it is what it should be. So that's a simple way to keep a faucet aerator clean, save water, and not produce too much waste. Thanks for watching.